Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make drop-down list in Excel. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is select the cell we want to use to create the list. After that, we will click on the data option and then on the data validation. And once again, we will click on the data validation option. Now in the settings section, we just need to change the any value option to the list option. Now in the source box, we will enter the options we want in the list. We then select the cells and finally we just need to click on OK and that's it. We will have our list in Excel. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next tech solutions video.